It is a great honor to welcome Korean customers to EagerLED Company. We are honored to have you here. Our professional reception team will lead you to visit our company's LED screen aging workshop, which is one of the core links of our company. Here you'll have the opportunity to witness our most advanced LED technology and innovative products with your own eyes. In the LED screen aging workshop, we demonstrate the quality control process of our products, which includes strict aging testing and waterproof testing. Through these tests, we ensure the stability and reliability of LED screens under various environmental conditions. Whether used outdoors or indoors, our LED screens perform well, displaying excellent picture quality and reliable performance. We look forward to sharing our technology, products, and services with you, and hope to provide you with a satisfactory experience and support.